ScruffPack, how will at your boy, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I bring you guys more Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. I won't keep you guys here. Let's see how the rest of the story unfolds in part 2.
Previously on Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart.
Did I do it? Oh, what is this? What's with all the neon?
This is the part where you lose.
I'm cowering in fear. Whoa. Yeah, I'm not gonna find my best friend. That's the way to start a game.
Have any of you seen a little gray robot anywhere? Green eyes, red antenna, very charming.
Not all have blue eyes. Let me go ahead and get some of this stuff over here. Mention all messed up. Rifts opening. Probably should hit him. He said lay off the hard oil.
Please let there be good news behind here.
Oh no.
Welcome to the nefarious city bazaar. Please remember to thank our marvelous emperor before, during, and after making your purchase.
Emperor? Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now? Clank first, Nefarious later. Maybe
Thanks.
he's in this bazaar.
Alright, nothing over here. Okay. Excuse me. To glide down. Oh, my boots. Okay. Look at that.
Hey, Lomax!
Wait a second.
You forgot your order? Well, come right in. Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The Resistance?
She's Miss Zircon instead of Mrs.
Apologies, sugar. Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
Release the hostage!
Clank!
Oh.
No. I need to go after that ship. How can I get off planet?
It's a test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else?
Oh. Damn.
Clinton can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
This is so exciting.
What's Club Nefarious gonna sound
Well,
like?
like she gonna sell me weapons for real though?
You want to bring the party to every fight? Mr. Fun Guy is the weapon for you.
Mr. Fun Guy?
Sneaking a little pinky
Nigga trying to
pig,
collider.
are we?
Coming soon. Okay. Let me preview this.
The only weapon who has destroyed Little Zircon's enemies and performed at his last birthday party.
Oh,
Mr.
what?
Fun Guy. Just throw him out and he will strike your enemies so hard they will have to deal with his antics. Which is the perfect time for you to join in on the fun.
So instead of Mr. Zircon, it's Mr. Fun Guy.
Do hate to see
Interesting. I wonder if he talks shit. I'm about to buy that soon. Which side to go? Oh, this one.
Gotta keep looking.
Not the
sooner
music
I
knocking
find
like
Club
that.
Nefarious and this Phantom, the sooner I can get to Clank.
Let me walk by. All right, cool.
Hi, yeah, are you the Phantom?
Oh,
Is there a Phantom around
that's
here?
weird.
Only a dancing machine. Watch out now.
Resistance alert! Resistance alert!
Oh Lord.
Can't believe. First mission in forever and my cover's blown.
Oh.
Phantom? Is Skid? Better take care of these guys or they'll go after Phantom too. That had to be Phantom, right? Mysterious dude in a hollow guy? Had to be Phantom.
Wait, where am I going? Oh.
Phantom! Wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were...
No names. You gotta be smarter than that if you want to join the resistance, new guy.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance?
Oh wait, hold on. There's some goodies over there. Wait a second. Wait a second. You can't forget that. Thank you. Never forget the money. All right.
I did not wait to remember another
The resistance team from the club!
new guy. Come on.
Ow. Ow. I'm gonna back it up. Going up. Or not. Oh, wait. Oh, shit. Hold on. Hold on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, wait. How do you... How the fuck? Does that make sense? Alright, hold on. Ow. I'd like to, but he can't seem to get up there. Or did he not go up there? No, he had to. Oh, okay. There we go. Nice. Okay. Oh, I got it. I got it. Boom. Boom. Boom.
Will you please stop running? Is this some kind of test? It is, isn't it? Hey, wait!
There he is! The fuzzball!
Hey, wait!
Fuzzball. That's not nice.
I'll handle this, Phantom. You just get to safety.
Oh, well. Alright. Wait a minute. Oh. Gotta back it up. I like it. We good? We good? Alright, moving on.
Now, where'd you go?
Nice work, new guy.
Thanks. What is this? Some kind of secret handshake? Hey!
Huh?
What do I do with it?
All right, new guy. Try out your Phantom Dash.
Phantom Dash.
Phantom Dash?
Enemy can't catch what doesn't temporarily exist.
Ooh! Yo! I like it. I like it. Is there like a thing?
Jump and Phantom Dash. The glove handles the rest. Ha! Don't be scared. Use the glove to run along those panels.
What? We can wall run?
Jump and phantom dash.
Hardcore. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Oh. Ooh. Hardcore
I need a
parkour.
royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
It's not safe here. Just stay close.
Can you get a royal starship or not?
Lombaxes. You are just as stubborn as she is.
Wait, you know that other Lombax? Where did she go?
Sargasso. She always goes there after a mission.
Sargasso.
Got me tricking on him.
I'll make you a deal. You see that blimp? You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a royal starship.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. But I'll meet you up there.
Nice.
Rooftop.
Let's do
How
it.
do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
How rude of me.
Hello. Get rid of you real quick. Is there another thing I can swing on? Maybe. Door? Nope. Oh. Haha. I like it. I fucking like it. Oh. That's so dope. Excuse me. Excuse me. Whee! I need ammo. What's up? Well. Woo!
Hold on, honey. Are you headed to the roof?
Yes, ma'am.
You should use that raritanium in your pockets to upgrade your arsenal first.
Oops.
Welcome, sugar. Feel free to browse.
Tutorializer? Oh.
Oh, you are getting it.
Nice.
See? Why settle for a good weapon when you can make it magnificent?
Alright, we'll start with my burst then.
Always worth the cost to keep your weapons in tip-top shape. Nice mod, huh?
Yeah, let's try this.
You know you want it.
I can refill my ammo. Let's go. Because I forgot to do that in the last series.
Thanks for shopping.
Thanks again for the help, Secret Agent Zircon.
I was hurting.
Good luck up there. And Miss Zircon was never here.
Sure won't. Oh wait, where do I go? Oh, probably here. Excuse me.
So you made it after all. Impressive.
Wait, you can see me? Where are you? You got my starship ready?
We'll make this you. And yeah. there
You'll
we go.
get it, don't you worry. I just need you to help me with one last threat. The Nefarious Day Spa. If you can distract these troopers, I'll hack Nefarious's propaganda blimp and give the city a message it'll never forget.
Can I step in the water this day, Spa? Nope. Alright, answer my question. Go get him.
Citizens of Nefarious City, this is the voice of the Resistance. This is the voice of truth.
Ow.
And the truth is, we need to talk. The Resistance, growing
Hey, level up. Not the slow-mo, boys. Domination.
Unless we're doing it to you.
Oh, don't run away from me. Where'd the other one go? Probably shouldn't have wasted on that. Oh. Oh. Oh, that was accident. Ow. Get him.
Finally! Nefarious Tower, here I come.
Wow, where'd you learn how to go?
Damn, that's a blimp.
Looks like I touched a nerve. All right, deal's a deal. That's Glitch. She'll help you get onto the Emperor's private shuttle to the tower. Access console's in that huge statue of Nefarious in the center of the city. Just hook her up, and she'll handle the rest.
What are you doing?
Tearing this whole rotten world down from the inside.
Huh?
Stay strong, brother!
How do you expect me to get to the bazaar from here?
Ah.
That'll work. All right. All I gotta do now, whoa, this is fast, is head to the statue, use Glitch, get a starship, and then find Clank on Sargasso. I'm on my way, buddy. Just hang in there
Ooh,
for
that
a
was
little
fast.
longer.
Hey, Sugar! I forgot to mention earlier. I hit a spy bot in the factory for our resistance friends. Maybe you can pick it up.
Resistance spy bot? Sounds useful.
Where
Could be worth a look.
where would I go? Is it part of my objective? I don't. Where would I go? How do I get it? Oh. Some is titanium. Thank you. I can call me fussy. Is it like something I can buy?
Need a beam that will not quit? Check it.
Legends tell of a weapon that contains energy so powerful, a beam of it will obliterate enemies with the
Whoa.
mere press of a button. And it is called the Negatron Collider. Obliterate your enemies in a row, or sweep your collider through the crowd.
Damn.
The energy to blast away evil is in your hands.
Is that enough for that?
Sneaking a little peeky peek, are we?
Oh, I can't preview that one. I don't have enough for that yet.
You all come back real
Alright, well, I'm just going to the tower. I'm gonna see about this spy thing later. Ooh.
Aha! That has to be the access console.
Oh no.
Line is against the law.
Where did you even come from?
Puny rebel.
Oh, I can have multiple ones. Hey. Oh. See what he says. Take him out. You do the work. Actually, I think it's, yep, this is my only level.
What the yikes?
Oh no.
Oh, wow. Oh, no.
I am glad to see you have survived the journey. Now die.
He said enough of the Emperor. Ow. Is he fighting other things too? Hey, double up, Mr. Fun Guy.
Not again.
Oh man.
At least it was a round trip.
I have looked.
Come on.
I am
Still don't have enough.
trying to destroy you as fast as I can.
You almost down yourself, buddy. Thank you.
There. Now I can finally plug Glitch into this access console. Yeah, hi. You must be Glitch. I'm Ratchet.
Look at his fur. Oh,
Sorry for all the jostling around earlier. Things aren't exactly going well, and actually, I think you're the only one who can help me right now. Thanks.
Ratchet. Huh. Seems like a nice guy. I probably just have to delete some files, and then he'll be all set.
well, this is a cool new little thing. Oh, we gotta hit the walls. Hey, this is dope. Oh, all right, Glitch.
There are viruses here. I don't have the training for this.
Not the trainer. She just,
Guns, please don't kill me now.
she's the shy anime girl.
This pod's sucking energy from the computer. Hey,
Am I hitting him?
cut it out.
Oh,
The infection is
that's
starting
what's
to
good. I was like, oh, it ain't working.
Good. I guess I can try to take out the rest now. Huh. What's with the capsule? Did a virus make that? The swarmers are coming out of that pod? Oh, no. I gotta delete them before I'm even more outnumbered.
Oh, he lost Clank and picked up another friend. Oh,
My electro guns can't even scratch them! I did it! Oh, man! I really... Wow! Anyway, looks like the computer is back online.
what's she doing? Wow, all that shaking.
You did it, Glitch!
Welcome back, your most majestic majesty.
Here we go.
Oh,
Traps. Warbombs. 5 planet-destroying cannons. And a surveillance state covering the entire city. If only that blasted Dimensionator still worked.
Clank.
Huh?
aw. God damn. Smacked the shot in the face.
After him! No!
Okay, Ratchet.
Clank. No.
Welcome, oh master of us all. Password, please.
Huh? password, I'm the Emperor. How about I obliterate you instead? Ha 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 ha!
Bring me that lumber!
So, then this Dimensionator was stolen by Dr. Nefarious, who used it to bring you here? Now you just have to find your friend, who is also miraculously a Lombax, to save the day.
And get home.
You must seriously think I'm an idiot. Look, as real as I'm sure this Dr. Nefarious is, this has the Emperor written all over it.
Help! We under attack! Anyone?
Mort? What's going on?
Oh dear.
Brace for impact!
Oh. Look out!
What do you think I'm doing? Ah!
Alright, ScruffPack, that is all the time we have for today's video. I've been really enjoying this part 2 so far. We got new ways to traverse again. We got with wall running, phantom dashing, we're meeting new people, and now we're going to get a closer look at Rivet in the next part. But before we get there, be sure to leave a like and a comment down below if you guys enjoyed the video, as well as subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you never miss when the next Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart video goes live. You guys can follow me on my socials. I'm on Twitter, IG, and TikTok. I will provide those links down below, and you can hop in my Guilded server with the ScruffPack community, and that way further engage with the rest of us. Other than that, if you want to catch me live on Twitch, I'm on twitch.tv/IamScruffyWolf. I'll provide all those links down below again, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you on the next one.